没事，就是它一会儿我不用关了。
刚刚已经照上我了。
没关系，没事没事。声音大吧？声音大吧？
Hello everyone, welcome everyone to today's live stream. I'm your host today, Iris. For this live stream, we will focus on a common problem in stone crushing production: how to best configure a crushing production line. Today, we will show you a solution for Pebble stone crushing line, which is also very common thing. Raw materials and the equipment discussed today each have their own unique characters and are applicable in different scenarios. Whether you are an industry venture or a novice, today's content should help you clarify your thinking. Type 1 is the comment section so I can see where you are tuning in from. And tap follow us to get know more. Let's start with our brand story first. Our company name Shengbang Machinery is a professional manufacturer of milling and grinding machines mainly engaged in the production of crushing, sand-making, sickling, milling, and supporting equipment. The company integrates product design, research, and development, processing, manufacturing, sales, and after-sales service, adhering to the content of scientific, rigorous, persistent, and refined to provide customers with one-stop service. First, let's simply introduce our milestone type. The detailed introduction of the main product type. First up, our jaw crusher. This is the ideal choice for primary crushing. The high-strength cast steel frame and V-shaped crushing chamber between the moving and the fixed jaws minimize the crushing ratio. With a hydraulic adjustment system, the discharge size can be flexibly adjusted from 10 to 350 millimeters. In open-pit coal mining, a single unit can achieve an hourly capacity of 100 to 1,500 tons per hour. 1,015 tons per hour. We offer many series. Next, the normal PE series, the PX fan crusher, and the European version jaw crusher like that. It is suitable for projects of all skills. If you want to know more, you can feel free to follow us. Next is our impact crusher. Excel in medium and fine crushing. The uniquely impact pallets and below bar design crushes materials through multiple impacts, producing high-quality aggregates with less than 5% flaky particles, perfect for premium sand production. The hydraulic opening system allows quick replacement of wear parts within 30 minutes, reducing maintenance costs by about 14%. Our CI and PF series impact crush support customized capacity requirements. Then is our coin crusher. This is the coin crusher as the king of hard rock crushing, using the lamentation crushing principle. The crushing force is from 13% higher than the traditional molds, making it ideal for granite, quartz, and other hard materials. The fully automated intelligent control system monitors oil temperature and pressure in real time, automatically shutting down to prevent overloads and reducing failure rates by about 16%. Available in single-cylinder and multi-cylinder series with remote control option. And today we will give you an example to help you have a clear knowledge for what equipment is used for the river pebble crushing. Today, this live stream is a selection guide for river pebble crushing equipment line. First, let's briefly introduce the river pebble stone and his characters. The river pebble is a common natural stone are widely used in construction, road paving, and other fields, with the continuous advancement of infrastructure construction. The demand for rubber paper is increasing year by year. However, river papers have problems such as uneven size and irregular shape, which cannot meet the needs of some specific projects. Therefore, the emergence of river paper crushing equipment provides an efficient means to solve this problem. The river paper crushing equipment is a mechanical device specially designed to crush rubber papers into the required particle size. It used advanced crushing technology and efficient crushing principles to quickly and accurately crush rubber papers into stones of different sizes to meet the needs of various projects. The paper crushing equipment is mainly composed of a feed port, a crushing chamber, and a discharge port. A transmission device X. When working, the paper enters the crushing chamber through the feed port and is crushed into smaller stones by the high-speed rotating crushing hammer or crushing pellet. Then the crushed stones are discharged through the discharge port, completing the inter-crushing processes. What are the production advantages of rubber paper crushing equipment? First, the rubber paper crushing equipment offers advantages such as high crushing efficiency, large crushing ratio, low energy consumption, and easy maintenance. First, its high crushing efficiency allows it to process large quantities of rubber papers in a short period of time. This way improving the production efficiency. Second, its high crushing ratio allows it to break large rubber papers into smaller pieces, meeting the needs of various projects. Furthermore, rubber papers crushing equipment consumes less energy, saving business energy costs. Finally, the equipment is very easy to maintain, reducing business operating costs. Then we will check what are the common paper crushing and sand making configuration solutions. The rubber paper Pebble crushers are commonly used to process river pebbles into sand and grave aggregates. There are various types of river pebbles crushers to choose from, depending on the process requirements and production skills. Then is the common types include The common configuration tests include: first, the jaw crusher as the primary crushing equipment. Then use the cone crusher. We can choose the single cylinder or the multi-cylinder cone crusher according to your capacity requirements. And then the sand making machine to meet the needs of making sand. Then is the vibration figuring machine. Then is the sand washing machine to meet with the sand requirements. The pebbles are very hard and cause several wear and tear on the equipment. A jaw crusher is a common crushing device, suitable for the first stage coarse crushing of river pebbles. Its working principle is that two jaw pellets, a movable jaw and a stationary jaw, form a crushing chamber, simulating the movement of an animal's jaws to complete the material's crushing operation. Then we will talk about introduce the cone crusher. Cone crusher demonstrates superior performance when crushing hard raw materials like river pebbles and granite. They have become a leader in the industry, favored by the market for their exceptional performance. Cone crushers are designed with wear-resistant components made of highly wear-resistant materials, such as high manganese steel or other materials. Imported equipment offers high production capacity, making them an excellent choice for pebble production lines. Then is the sand making machine. We also call the VSF, the vertical shaft impact crusher. This machine is often used for the third stage, the sand production of the pebblestone, also called the cobblestone production line. The finished product has a well-balanced gradation, a rounded particle shape, and a fineness content of less than 2%. The discharge particles are beautifully shaped and of quality comparable to natural sand. Why we often choose the vertical shaft impact crusher? We will tell you its advantages. It is commonly used milling crushing equipment, mainly used for medium and fine crushing and sand making of materials. The vertical shaft impact crusher mainly drags the materials through the high-speed rotor to make it have high speed. and then the material hits the fixed crushing pellets, the impact pellets, and after multiple impacts, grinding and crushing, it finally forms fine sand particles. Impact crusher is usually used to produce various classifications of stone and construction sand. Then we will talk its advantages. First, high crushing efficiency. The vertical shaft impact crusher adopts the impact principle, which can efficiently process materials with higher hardness, with larger crushing ratio and high output. The second, good product particle size. Since the materials is crushed under high speed impact, the sand particles produced are of good shape and low needles-like content, which meets the standards for construction sand. The third, the small wear and long life. The wearing parts of the vertical shaft impact crusher are usually made of high wear-resistant materials, and the structure design is reasonable with small wear and long service life. The fourth, the strong adaptability. The VSI vertical shaft impact crusher can handle a variety of materials with different hardness, such as limestone, granite, basalt, and do not require high humidity for the materials. The 5 point. The simple structure and convenient maintenance. The structure of the impact crusher is relatively simple, and it is relatively convenient to operate and maintain, reducing maintenance time and costs. The sixth, environmental protection and energy saving. The impact crusher can effectively reduce dust pollution during the crushing processes, and due to its efficient crushing capacity, the energy consumption is relatively low. The 7th, high degree of automation. The modern VSI vertical shaft impact crushers are usually equipped with automated control systems, which can realize remote operation and field diagnosis, improving production efficiency and safety. Besides, impact crushers are widely used in the field of the sand making, especially in the production of high-standard construction sand, where their advantages are more obvious. However, when choosing an VSI crusher, the appropriate mode and configuration should be selected according to the actual production needs, material characters, and site conditions. Another example is the normal impact crusher. This is also one of the commonly used equipment in the rubber paper crushing and processing production line. The impact crusher is usually used in conjunction with jaw crusher, belt catenary vibrating feeders, sand-making machine, and other equipment to complete the rubber pebble crushing and sand-making process. Then the type of vibrating screen used typically depends on the size of the sand and grave materials, production requirements, screen accuracy, and other specific process requirements. The following are several commonly used vibrating screen types in sand production lines. The circular vibrating screen are often the preferred equipment. The features: circular vibrating screen have a circular vibrating path, a larger screen areas, and high processing capacity, making them suitable for screen medium and fine-grained materials. Because its application in sand production lines, circular vibrating screens are commonly used for both primary and finished sand and gravel screens. Effectively splitting sand and gravel of various particle sizes. Then is the sand washer. Sand washers are categorized as the rotary type and the spiral sand washers, and each needs to be tailored to specific needs and set requirements. They are typically used to clean the screened sand, enhancing the finished product's appearance and ultimately leading to a higher selling prices. Then is another common thing, the mobile type, the mobile coin crusher station and the mobile sand-making station and the sand washing machine. This configuration of the mobile pebble stone production line only places all fixed equipment on the vehicle body, which is convenient for movement, reduces a lot of transportation costs, and effectively improves product efficiency by more than about 14%. The whole set of equipment does not require many operation and is equipped with a PLC centralized control system to achieve automatic production. The quality of the finished products produced is also good. This video is show a stationary the Pebble River Stone configuration line. We have our own after-sales team, our engineer with the average experience with more than 20 years experience, and we can help you to install your machine. So about is today's details for the Pebble Stone configuration. There have two kinds. One is for the stationary and one is mobile. The stationary, the common configuration is the job crusher and the toy crusher. Then is the sun-making machine, the vibrating cigarette, and the sun washer. This is optional. You can choose if you want it or not. Also for the sun-making. Then is the wear time. If you want to put into production quickly, this is a good choice for you. So in summary, the choice of the rubber Pebble crusher should be determined by the specific processes, requirements, the production speed, and the properties of the river pebbles. The different types of the crushers have their own characters. In terms of the crushing efficiency, production capacity, and applicable. Of course, when actually choosing equipment, you also need to consider factors such as raw materials characters, site size, and budget. It's best to find professional technicians for a detailed evaluation so that you can choose the most suitable equipment for yourself. That's about it for today's live stream. I hope today we can help you have a clearer direction when choosing equipment. If you have any questions, no matter if for how to start a stone crusher line or how to use the machine, how to configuration, you can feel free to leave us a message in the comment areas or follow us, send us your questions, and I will try my best to reply you. Thank you for your watching, and see you next time.